Cleo and DailyPay both help people manage money before payday, but they are designed for two different types of users. By the end, you'll know how Cleo and DailyPay compare, how each service works, and which option makes more sense based on your situation. The biggest difference is how you get access. Cleo is a personal finance app built around individual users, while DailyPay is an earned wage access service connected to participating employers. Cleo focuses on helping users manage their personal finances through an app. You create an account, connect your financial information, and use the features available based on your eligibility. DailyPay works differently because it depends on your employer. If your company offers DailyPay, you may be able to access earned wages before your scheduled payday through the service. If you are choosing between the two, start with how you want to use the service. Cleo may fit better if you want a personal finance tool that you control yourself. The app experience is centered around your own account rather than a workplace benefit. DailyPay may fit better if your employer provides it and you want access connected directly to your earned wages. The first step is checking whether your workplace participates. The setup process also separates them. With Cleo, you typically begin by creating an account through the app and following the setup instructions. With DailyPay, you generally need employer access before you can use the service. The right choice depends on your goal. If you need a workplace-based earned wage access option, DailyPay may be the better match if it is available through your employer. If you want a standalone financial app, Cleo may be worth comparing. Before choosing either one, check the current features, eligibility requirements, and terms inside each service. Available options can vary depending on your account details and access. The simple comparison is this: Cleo is designed for individual money management, while DailyPay is designed for employees who want access to earned wages through participating employers. Check whether your employer offers DailyPay first. If it does not, compare personal finance apps like Cleo based on the tools you actually need. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of financial apps and money tools.